Under the blazing Florida sun, a group of young girls just wanted to enjoy their beach day, until a single beer bottle in hand sent everything spiraling out of control. What seemed like harmless fun quickly turned into a tense arrest within minutes. How could one small action lead to an 18-year-old girl being handcuffed and taken away in a police car? Today's story will make you rethink how attitude alone can completely change the outcome of an ordinary day.
Nothing on your phone or anything like that?
I could double check.
Can you please?
Do you have one issued to you?
What do you mean?
Do you have like a license?
Like an ID, yeah.
Do you have a nice license out of Florida?
Yeah.
What's your first name?
Jaden.
Spell it for me.
Jadyn.
Can you pass me the high move, please?
Ariana!
Ladies, we're not
done with y'all. Where y'all going?
We're not done. You just stand by.
Okay.
No, you can't. You said what? If you want to?
Are we being under arrest?
Yeah, you guys are detained. What do you mean you can leave if you want to?
We're not being under arrest. You guys didn't say that.
You're detained right now for open alcohol. We can arrest you for just for having alcohol in your hand. Do me this favor, just stand right here.
You're saying.
Stand right here, please.
We're trying to make this more. We're not trying to.
No, alright, y'all just came and bothered us for.
No, we're not bothering y'all.
We're just doing our job.
Okay.
Okay, well then we can leave. Like that's not a problem.
You want to give me attitude? No,
I'll be sorry.
don't resist. Don't resist. Don't resist. Take out your backpack.
They're just bored.
Now we have a reason for you to stay, right?
It's called the attitude. Attitude got you in handcuffs, honestly.
No, because we could have just left. They want to start stuff.
You want to learn how to be an adult real
It's
quick.
not attitude, it's called you.
It's called attitude.
You can talk to me, I can talk to you. You have a right? I can walk, you don't have to grab me.
pushing.
Don't say anything else. We don't need to talk.
Stop racing and pushing yourself away. You're pushing away from me. Just right here. Stand right there. Thank you.
Okay, please let go of me. I don't feel comfortable.
Jesus Christ. $45 minutes.
Here are you?
A-N-A-R-A-S-E-R-T.
Spell your first name again for me.
I don't want to, it's okay.
45 on 12, code 5, check my name. You're going to catch 2 charges if you want to be difficult. I'm going to let that sink in for you. You guys could literally walk out of here. We were just trying to give you guys a warning to leave.
We were trying to leave.
We were going to give you one.
But the thing is, we knew we were not supposed to do that, so we're leaving.
Let me talk. Your mouth got yourself in these hands.
No, because you guys are bored. We took the warning and we were going to leave.
First name is Jaden, John, Adam, Delta, Yankee, Nora, middle initials Diaz, and Delta, last name is Barrera. Baker, Adam, Romeo, Edward, Romeo, Adam. Date of birth is 3/7/2001, Hispanic female.
Yes, no? No? Where you told me you were. This is your backpack, right?
have a feeling she's too. She don't look like she's 21. But she don't want to talk, so she catch 2 charges. I don't really give a damn.
Check David.
No, I haven't yet. No. Yeah. Oh, that tells me that you're lying. And if you refuse and you give me your name, that's another charge.
My name. I'm not lying about my name.
Okay, but the thing is, I'm letting you know I'm looking it up, but it's not coming back.
For you to look up. Why do you want me to say it again?
Jalen, how do you spell your first name?
You spelled it right.
Jadyn?
Yeah, I said that.
What's your middle initial?
I said it already.
Oh my God, why are you so difficult?
Darrera. 33611.
Gotta ask all that.
Okay, I already said it.
What's your middle name?
Doreen
Last name?
Herrera.
Date of birth?
3702.
02 is not 01 now, huh?
Okay.
45. Instead of the year 2001, it's actually 2002.
What is it? I spelled Jaden what?
Jadyn. Middle name is D. Last name is Barrera. And she gave me a fake birthday. It's actually 2002. Jadyn. 10-4. Can you drop that in my call, please?
What a 10. Where you at? Where you at? Can you come down to Pier 60, the south, for a transport for female? Yeah, just south of the sand, literally underneath here.
535. We have a patrol unit available. I think we need a cage out here. We're on the sand, south of Pier 60. Time for. We're gonna need one more. What's your
She
name?
had to take her partners.
Yeah,
My
what's your
name's
name?
Ariana.
Ariana. We're gonna sit you in this compound.
They're in her bag.
Which one? This one? Let's see. Swap it up. Have a seat, ma'am.
Have a seat. Jaden, I got your car with AC, so come on.
We gotta take your hat off for you, okay?
You live with your parents?
Yeah.
What's your parents' phone number? Jaden, can I be real with you right now, or am I just gonna be wasting my breath? I don't think you're still not taking it seriously, but To be real with you, like, go ahead, hold on. 10-4. Look around. Do you really think I'm out here? How you said I was bored. Do you really think I take excitement of giving people citations for alcohol? Do you think I'm out here every single day arresting people for alcohol?
I don't know.
But let's be like logical here. You think I'm really knowing how the world is? There's so much more important things I need to focus on, right? You and both and I can agree to that. Okay, I get what you're saying, but I'm letting you know it's a two-way conversation. I'm letting you know your information's not coming back because you lied. So how is that my fault? You lied about your birthday, so of course it's gonna come back. Hey, your information's not coming back, and then you give me attitude, and then you're telling me that you're demanding to leave. I'm like, no, that's not how it works.
I wasn't demanding to leave. I said we were trying to leave.
But that's not
we
how it
weren't trying to
works.
start anything.
That's not how it works.
We were just trying to take the warning and just go home.
Exactly. And if you were to give me the right birthday from the get-go, none of this, you would have not been in handcuffs. And our interaction would have been totally different. You would have probably stayed on the beach, honestly.
I understand.
Okay. So whose phone number is this?
My mom.
Your mother, what's her name?
Jill.
Jill?
I'll turn it inside the tank. There we go.
At the end of the incident, Jaden was escorted into the police car under the regretful gaze of the officer, who admitted he never wanted things to go this far, all because of her attitude. A brief moment, yet enough to turn a joyful beach day into a costly life lesson. Sometimes, a small mistake can escalate into serious trouble, not because of the action itself, but because of how we react to it. Cooperation, calmness, and respect are always the keys to resolving things peacefully. What about you? If you were in the same situation, how would you respond? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video to spread more educational and thought-provoking stories like this one.